Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. This is the second tutorial in Windows Server 2012, and it's going to be the last, where it will be joining the client to the server and applying the policies to it. So let's get started. First, run both Windows Server and Windows 7. Open Network and Sharing Center. Then Ethernet, Details. Remember this IP address because this IP address will be used for connection. Note, not necessary to be the same in your case. Now, do the same in Windows 7, but change the IP address to be the same range of the server's IP address. The DNS server will be the IP address of the server. Ping the server using command prompt to check the connection. Before joining them, make sure it is Windows 7 Professional or Enterprise because I tried before with Windows Home Basic and it couldn't allow me to click on domain. Log in as administrator and the password will be of your domain server. Log in as a user that was been created in a previous tutorial, or it depends on your case. Now to apply the policies, follow the steps. Note, read the description before selecting the policy, because not all policies are compatible with Windows 7, and don't forget to click on Enable, then OK. For a policy to take an action, the Windows should be restarted or logged off. As the result of the policy, the user cannot change the settings without administrator's permission. Many policies can be applied for a user. Try as much as you can to have an idea. At the end, I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any questions related to any of previous tutorials, please let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to share. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.